Wagwan people. So today, get a 1 to 2, and this 1 to 2 make us pass the first phase of the account. Yeah, so really proud of myself. Kinda sick right now, somehow little sniffles. So I pull up my nose and thing. Alright, let's get over the video. I sure got to this. Yes, a replay mode. 8 o'clock. Yeah, so exactly when I came on the charts, I saw this setup. So that's how trading can be sometimes. Alright, so I saw this demand right here. Yeah, so how I know this demand? I'm seeing right now, I'm seeing right now the gap, the break of structure. All we need is a breaker candle. All we need is a top and then the breaker candle. So fair value gap. Remember we always need fair value gap attached to the zone. So it's above the red candle to under this green candle. So this is little space right here. Price needs to fill and tap into the zone. Yeah. Alright. Now breaker structure. Breaker structure is basically when price make a new high that go above a previous high, or when price make a new low that go below the previous structure. So as you can see, price was very much bullish, so I was willing to take buys. So price made this high, which it did break over this high. So if price came right here, made this high, and went back to the zone, I wouldn't have taken that even if it was 8 o'clock, because we need a breaker structure to kinda, that is my extra confirmation to say that price wants to go where it want to go. Yeah, so price come right here, did a break here, but it made an even higher high that broke these two previous minor highs, and then broke this high that price made right here. And then it came down, didn't give us the top, but instead went up back, made a new high which broke above this. Yeah, so price kind of trending right now. So and then it gave us a tap into the zone. Now the next thing is break of candle. That's when the candle that's going to play out next go above this candle. That is if we are buying. If we are selling, we do the opposite. So right now the next candle we want to see go above this, and that's where our entry would be. Let's see if we get it. So we did get it. All right. Now when you see, when we don't get break of candle and the candle that gave us the top, sometime price just do that, fail to give us the break of candle, and we end up get a better entry price, or our stop loss will be smaller, and because we're aiming for 1 to 1, would be out the trade faster if it hit TP. Yeah, so now the break of candle now, we would wait on this candle. We'd wait on the candle that's playing out to go above this candle, so we'd get a better entry. We no longer need to wait for this one. We just take it on this one. Alright, let's see. Yeah, so we did get that. So we get an even better entry with a smaller stop loss. Yeah, so now we're not waiting on this one anymore. And this is still valid because we are still inside the zone, as I can see. We are still inside the zone. So this is still valid. Now waiting on the break of candle on this candle. So the candle that is going to play out next, want to see go up, want to see it go above this green candle, and that would be our entry. Yes, as you can see, so we got that. Our entry was right here, and I was aiming for a 1 to 2 because I only had a little bit more to pass the account. And why I was aiming for a 1 to 2, why I was confident with the 1 to 2, because this was also a 15-minute demand. So I consider that strong. The strong zone. Yeah, so 15-minute demand would be this red candle right here. So we have the gap attached like we need it under the red under the green candle to above the red candle. And we have the breaker structure. So price came up, made this high, made this even higher high before giving us the top into the zone. So our break of candle entry on the 15-minute would be when price break above this candle. But we took the 5-minute entry. Yeah, so we're just aiming for a 1 to 2. Simple. So just two candle. As you can see, we got the break of candle entry on the 15-minute. It would be right here. SL kinda big. And if we're aiming for a 1 to 2 on this too, yeah, would have gotten it. But that's why I like 5-minute entries better. You get smaller candles, so you don't have to be in the trade too long. Alright, let's give an update on the fivers. Fivers account. So as you can see, first evaluation pass. Now onto the sixth. Onto the second. Yeah. 71% win rate. All of the trades right here. Yeah, so this was stats. Still not funded live account yet. But I only need to make 5%, I believe. 5 more percent. Then I will be funded for the first time ever. I never yet even pass phase 1 of a funded account. But this is the year when all this changes and trading really becomes a reality for me and possible a career where I will do it full time. Because I don't really need much. Where I live, I don't need 10k a month to be comfortable. Even 1%, 2% on a 100k account, I can be more than comfortable. Yeah, so cut this straight today. Going to start phase 2 tomorrow. Yeah, US30 Nasdaq. I'm out.